Welcome to your journey towards homeownership and unlocking your dream home. The experienced team at Dick Gray Mortgage is here to guide and simplify the mortgage process for you. Buying a home is an exciting milestone, but securing a mortgage loan can sometimes feel overwhelming. Our team understands this completely. That's why we created this helpful video, to provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to mortgage success. In this video, we'll walk you through the 20 critical steps in the mortgage process from start to finish. You'll learn practical strategies, expert insights, and tips to help you navigate every phase of the journey with clarity and confidence. From understanding credit reports, to selecting the optimal loan program, negotiating with lenders, and finalizing your purchase, our team will equip you with the knowledge needed to achieve your homeownership goals. Our passion is ensuring you have an exceptional mortgage experience. We simplify complex concepts, answer all your questions, and provide support each step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered, informed, and ready to take the following steps toward securing your mortgage loan and unlocking the doors to your dream home. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Here are the 20 key steps we'll cover. Please reach out if you have any questions as we go through these steps. We are committed to making your mortgage process smooth, successful, and straightforward. Let's now learn how to unlock your dream home. Step 1. Complete a brief initial phone consultation. We will invite you to complete a 15-minute phone interview with us. This interview is a chance to understand your unique homeownership goals and aspirations. We can tailor our guidance by discussing your specific needs, preferences, and financial situation to ensure it aligns with your objectives. Step 2. Complete mortgage application. Completing the mortgage application thoroughly and accurately is crucial. It is essential to provide all the necessary information and explain any red flags or potential concerns to enhance your chances of approval. Transparency and clarity in addressing any issues up front can help the lender better understand your situation and make a more informed decision. Step 3. Obtaining credit reports. You must obtain your credit reports and scores to ensure accuracy. When you order your credit report, we can review and discuss any items that might need attention or those reported in error. Step 4. Gather financial documents. Gather necessary financial documents, including tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements. These verify income, assets, and debts, crucial for mortgage approval. Step 5. List monthly debts. Make a list of all your monthly debts and expenses. Preparing this information helps us determine your debt-to-income ratio and how much of a mortgage the lender believes you can afford. Step 6. Research payments. Once we receive your credit reports, financial data, and monthly, we will begin researching various mortgage programs to determine your payment. Compare mortgage rates and loan programs like FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional loans. Finding the right loan for your situation saves you money. Step 7. Determine the price range. Afterward, we will assess an appropriate home price range, considering income, current debts, and down payment factors. This comprehensive analysis will aid in establishing realistic expectations as you begin your house hunting journey. Step 8. Pre-approval letter. Next, we will communicate with the lenders on your behalf to obtain a verified pre-approval for a mortgage. This step demonstrates to sellers that you are a serious and qualified home buyer. The letter signifies that you are a qualified buyer and strengthens your offer. Step 9. Finding a realtor. It's time to initiate the shopping process for a real estate agent who will assist you in finding properties and negotiating on your behalf. Having the right agent by your side throughout the home buying journey is essential. They will effectively represent your interests, guide you through the transaction, and ensure your needs are met at every step. Find a trusted real estate agent to represent you in the home buying process. Their expertise helps you navigate negotiations and paperwork. Step 10. Viewing homes. It's time to start viewing homes within your target price range and preferred neighborhoods. During these visits, make a note of your must-haves versus nice-to-have criteria. This approach helps narrow down your search to affordable homes that align with your specific needs and preferences. Step 11. Negotiating the price. To initiate negotiations on price, closing date, possessions, and other terms, making an offer contingent on financing and inspection is advisable. Including these contingencies in your offer protects you in case the mortgage financing or inspection process encounters any issues or fails to meet your expectations. Step 12. Offer accepted. Accepting an offer is an exciting milestone in home buying. After viewing properties and deciding on one, you'll make an offer contingent on financing, appraisal, and inspections and anxiously await the seller's response. When your real estate agent contacts you to share the good news that the sellers have accepted your offer, it's time to celebrate this significant accomplishment on your journey to homeownership. Acceptance means the sellers are ready to move forward with you as the buyer. However, many steps are still ahead, like securing financing, inspections, and closing. Step 13. Homeowner's insurance. It is crucial to reserve the homeowner's insurance policy to be purchased at closing. Contact your chosen insurance provider to activate the policy for the property you buy, effective as of the closing date. Step 14. Order a home inspection. Home inspection is crucial in home buying. It allows you to identify any necessary repairs or potential issues with the property. The inspection provides objective insights into the home's actual condition, helping you make informed decisions and potentially renegotiate with the seller. Step 15. Appraisal. Often, the lender will require an appraisal. Including these contingencies in your offer protects you in the event of a mortgage. It is necessary to pay for an appraisal to ensure that the home's value meets the loan-to-value guidelines required for mortgage approval. Step 16. Finalize loan terms. Once you have progressed in the mortgage process, finalizing specific loan terms, including the interest rate, APR, annual percentage rate, loan type, down payment, and other relevant factors, is vital. These details help establish clear expectations and enable you to make informed decisions. Step 17. Final walkthrough. Performing a final walkthrough is crucial just before closing on the home. This walkthrough allows you to ensure that any agreed-upon repairs or improvements have been completed as expected. Step 18. Closing disclosure. Reviewing the closing disclosure is crucial before closing the property. The closing disclosure provides a detailed breakdown of all the fees and costs associated with the closing process. It is essential to carefully examine this document and ask any necessary questions to ensure a thorough understanding of all the charges involved. Step 19. Attending the closing. When attending the signing appointment, it is important to bring two essential items: a valid form of identification and a cashier's check. These are necessary to provide the down payment and cover the closing costs associated with the purchase. Step 20. Closing day. On closing day, you will receive the keys to your new home, marking the exciting moment when you officially become a homeowner. This milestone is a cause for celebration, as it signifies the successful completion of the mortgage process. Thank you for watching this informational video on the mortgage process. We hope you found it valuable in helping prepare you for your home buying journey. The Dick Gray Mortgage and DOS Home Loans teams are here to support you every step of the way. We're passionate about empowering you on your path to homeownership. For more information and resources, visit our website at www.dickgraymortgage.com. On our site, you can explore mortgage options, calculate payments, and more. If you have any additional questions or want to discuss your home buying goals, please don't hesitate to call Dick Gray directly at 832-881-2690. We look forward to helping make your dream of homeownership a reality. Thank you again for your interest in learning more. The doors to your perfect home are ready to be unlocked. Let's connect soon.